Hello everyone. In last video of Java, I have explained you if as statement and if statement, that is also known as a conditional statement, and one program of if as statement. Today I will explain two programs of a conditional statement if as statement. First program is to find the smallest number given two numbers. If two numbers are given, we suppose that A and B, then we have to find out the smallest number from them. So here this is the flow chart to find out the smallest number. You have learned in flow chart in chapter number 4. So first of all we will start. Then input enter two numbers A and B. Now we will compare both the numbers. This is the kite sign. This is used for comparison. Here we will compare A is greater than B. Now remember, in comparison there is only two options, either it is true or yes, or it is false means no. So if it is true, then it means that A is greater than B, so we will print A is the greatest number and stop. If it is false, then we will go to this part, output, we will print B, that is B is the greatest number and stop. So this is the flow chart to find out the smallest number. Now I will write a program and explain you how to find out the smallest number. Now this is my program to find out the smallest number. First one, import java.io .asterisk, that all of you know, that is used for importing input output file. I have declare a class, public class program 3, public static void main. Here I am taking two number A and B as an input. This is known as a command line input. You have learned in a half yearly syllabus. So instead of string arguments, here I am writing int A and int B. So I am taking two number as an input, int A and B. Now it is very simple. I will compare if using if statement. If A is greater than B, means A is greater than B, then it is going to print system.out.print A is the greatest number. And if this condition is false, then it will go to the else part and print system.out.print B is the greatest number, and then stop. So this program, here two curly brackets, then stop. So this program is used to find out the smallest number from the given two numbers. Now I will compile from here. Now no syntax error, so I will close this and run this program. I hope all of you know how to run the program. Right click over there, void main. Here enter two numbers like 5, then I will enter 9, then click on OK. This is the output, that B9, that is the greatest number. Now we will clear the output for this program. So this is your program to find out the smallest number from the given two numbers. Now I will tell you the program to find out the smallest number from the given three numbers. Our previous program is for two numbers. Now suppose you have three numbers, like I have entered here A, B, C. So I have three numbers A, B, C. Now I will find out the greatest among these. Means which one is greatest, either A is greatest or B is or C is. So for that I have written the code. Here if condition we will use if A is greater than B and. Now remember, and is your logical operators. I have explained you before also. And is used to join two condition. So if A is greater than B and A is also greater than C, it means A is greater than B and A is greater than C. A is the greatest among both the numbers, three numbers. So we will print system.out.print A is the greatest number. Same condition for B also. If B is greater than A and B is greater than C, means B is greater than A and B is also greater than C. So we will print B is greatest number. Now same conditions for C. If C is greater than A and C is greater than B, then we will print C is the greatest number. Now look at here we are not using else part. So remember that in a if else, it is not compulsory else part will become. You can use the if part also. And also remember that when we are using one line after if, like here after if we have written only one line system.out.println, then we are not using curly brackets. So it is not compulsory, but if you want to use more than one line, then it is compulsory to use the curly bracket. So this is your program to find out the greatest number among three numbers. Rest of all the thing is same, only if and else. Now I will compile this. There is no error, so I will run this program. Program 4. Right click over there. Now enter three numbers like a 6, then 9, then 11. Now click on OK. So you will get the output C is the greatest number. So this is the how you will run the program, or to find out the smallest number or a greatest number among 2 or 3 numbers. So same way in your homework you will write a program to find out the greatest number of 3 numbers and try one more program to find out the second smallest number or a middle number from the given 3 numbers. Like example, if I entered 3 numbers like 4, 5, 6, so middle number is 5. So or a second smallest number, it is also known as a second greatest number. So try one more program, write a program to find out the second smallest number from the given 3 numbers. Write down this program and run it. Next time I will explain you program related to the if as if later. Thank you.